Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt. I got in a lock today, so we're going to take a look at it and do an unboxing here. Let's see what it looks like. All right. Got a nice foam insert on the top here. It's got instructions here, so that's neat. It's got the handle here. And it's got the other handle here. So that's neat. This one has the key cover on it. So that's neat. Got a really nice box here for this. Here's all your screws. Looks like they're all labeled. So the instruction will tell us which ones to use at which time. Here is the router. Includes a nice long wire here. So that's that. And here's the lock. Okay. There, and here's all the striker plates. The striker. This is adjustable. And it's got all the keys. Yeah. So, yeah. So, all I gotta do is take it up and install it. So, this is gonna be neat. Alrighty, well, I hope the unboxing was helpful. Once I get it installed, then we'll see what it does. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Can't wait to get this installed. Goodbye, good luck, and have a great day.